Om Ganesaya Namaha. It was an auspicious day for Lord Ganesha when he was going on this way in Araspuram in Coimbatore, and I saw few devotees standing outside this temple, and I also decided to worship Lord Ganesha in this temple. It's called Vittaga Vinayagar temple, and I really loved the way the priest was doing puja. He was reciting mantra and praying for everyone's good health. This Akka also gave me prasadam twice, which I really like. I requested the priest to speak few minutes about the temple. It's called Vittaga Vinayagar temple. The temple is situated here for 35 years. The only temple in Coimbatore where they do Homa every single day is this temple. The most auspiciously celebrated event in this temple is Ganesha Chaturthi. So what they do is for around 16 days, they do 16 different alankaram for Lord Ganesha. They also do Rigveda Parayan and they do Lakshachanam. On Ganesha Chaturthi, they also do Maha Annadan. The greatest thing they do here is they request the kids from the orphanage to come to the temple. They take care of them and then they give them food, water, chocolates, biscuits. They also give the kids some clothes, and only after that the public, the other devotees are allowed to have the Annadan. There's a meaning for this temple when they say Vittaga Vinayagar. The term appears in the sacred mantra Vinayagar Agaval. Vittagam. Agam, the meaning of Agam is mind. And when I say Vit, it's the seedling. So whatever desires or prayers you have in your mind, Lord Ganesha will fulfill that prayers. And Vit also means blessings for education. So surely this Ganesha will bless everyone by fulfilling their desires. Hundreds of thousands of devotees has been benefited by this temple, by this Lord Vinayaka in this temple. His name is Vasudevan and the temple is situated in Now I will take you around the temple. This is beautiful Bala Subramanian, Lord Dakshinamurti, and I really love this goddess Saraswati, especially the way she was dressed. I love this dress. There is Happy Ganesha and then the goddess Vishnu Durga. What I like about this goddess is her smiling face. Wait, I will show that to you. She is smiling, isn't it? So when you guys find time, if you go to Araspuram in Coimbatore, please visit this Vittaga Vinayagar temple. You'll be blessed. This is Venkat for starsci.com.